Sweet and chewy 2-ingredient crust, fluffy peanut butter mousse, and a silky salted ganache melt in your mouth for this easy, healthy, no-bake Reese's chocolate peanut butter pie. Begin by combining equal parts dates and sunflower seeds. You could also substitute with any nut or seed you like or have. I used a half a cup each, and as always, you can find all the details in the description box. Simply press the crust onto the bottom of two 4-inch springform pans and set aside. This dough is also excellent rolled up as energy bites or bulked up with coconut flakes, hemp, and/or pumpkin seeds for a raw granola. For the fluffy peanut butter filling, combine 1 cup of natural peanut butter with no added sugar, salt, or oils. Add a half a cup of wet silken tofu for the fluff, and a 1/3 cup of raw sugar or whatever sweetener you like or have. Press the second layer into the pan as well. This dough makes a great peanut butter truffle on its own too, and can be rolled in cinnamon sugar, cacao, coconut, crushed nuts, or whatever you like. The last layer is made with 2 tablespoons of coconut milk and a half a cup of dark chocolate. Melt slowly in a double boiler or in the microwave for about 20 to 30 seconds. Pour it evenly between both pies and sprinkle generously with salt. This is the sea salt Jay made from one of my last videos. I also recommend fleur de sel or maldon salt. A smoked flake salt would be nice here too. Let it set in the fridge for about 30 minutes. This pie is not only fast and easy for when you need to whip something up quickly, it's better for you with clean ingredients but tastes luscious and indulgent. It's protein-packed, gluten-free, plant-based, no-bake, and truly tastes like a chocolate peanut butter cup. If you recreate this, please tag me on Instagram at @asquishymonster. I hope you have a great day wherever you are, and I'll see you soon.